Hey guys, I'm back again with another example for you if you want some more about the solving in day 2. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to the problems down there, and I'm just going to pick a couple that I may work out. So I'm going to start with number 2. So on number 2, we have 5x plus 2 over 10x minus 3 equals x minus 8 over 2x plus 3. So I start again with the restriction, so going to each one. So I'm going to start here because I would subtract 3 and divide by 2. So negative 3 over 2. And on this one, I'd add 3, so that'd be positive 3, and I would divide by 10. So remember, we want to try to always list those in order from lowest to highest, so that's why I did the second one first. So my lowest common denominator for this problem will be 10x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. So remember, after I decide the lowest common denominator, I then turn around and multiply with that. So I'm going to say times 10x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. And then I'll do the same thing here, times 10x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. And then I mark out, so I'll mark out those two there, and I'll mark out the 2x plus 3 on the second fraction. So now I'm looking at 5x plus 2, and I have 2x plus 3. And then on this side, I have x minus 8, and I have 10x minus 3. So this is a good problem because we're going to definitely have to FOIL to come up with our solutions. So I'm going to start on this side. So doing my first, I get 10x squared. And I do my outside, I get 15x. I do my inside, I get 4x. And I do my last, and I get positive 6. It might look funny the way I wrote it, but I really wrote it so that it was easy for me to combine the terms that I like. So 10x squared plus 19x plus 6. And then I will FOIL on this side, so that will give me 10x squared, and then that will give me negative 3x, and I'll have negative 80x, and I'll end up with a positive 24. So again, I just lined them up vertically, so I'll add them up and get 10x squared minus 83x plus 24. So I'm going to start by moving some terms. So I realize as I subtract 10x squared, I move that term. Those are going to cancel. And then I think I will add 83x, so that'll go. And then I think I'll subtract 6, so that one will go. And so now with all my movements, the x's, x squareds, go away. The x's, they add up to be 102x. And then over here, I add those up and I get 18. And then I used my calculator on this because I did not know this off the top of my head. But I divide by 102 and I got x equaled, they were both were divisible by the number 6. I ended up with 3 over 17. It's a pretty small number. All right, so there's one example. I liked that one. Got a little FOIL going on in that one. The